Okay, on this IXL, we are going to find the constant of proportionality from a graph. This is an 8th grade IXL. And so let's read it. During the summer, Chase works on his uncle's dairy farm. One of Chase's many chores is to load bales of hay onto a wagon and haul them from the field into the barn. There is a proportional relationship, which means it runs through the origin 0, 0, between the number of wagon loads X and the number of bales of hay Chase can haul Y. So let's look at this. The question is, what is the constant of proportionality? Write your answer as a whole number or decimal right down here. So I have to go find the point where it's touching or crossing these grids where they cross, which would be right here. Okay, so we're starting at 0, 0. We do vertical change, which is 7, over horizontal change, which is 1. So 7 over 1 would be 7. Let's try another one. So here we're looking at, we want to know the constant of proportionality. Write your answer as a whole number or decimal between the number of cookies and dollars. So first we have to find the point. Here's a point where it's crossing that X and Y grid right here. And look, our scale is different. This side's counting by 5s, this side's counting by 1s. So we still do vertical change, which goes up to 5 over horizontal change. Well, if we come down here, you'll notice this is 5 as well. So what is 5 divided by 5? It is 1. All right. Let's try another one. This one is asking, is it a proportional relationship? Well, is it going through the point 0, 0? Yes, it is. So then it says, what is the constant of proportionality? Again, we have to find a point where it's crossing my grid, which here's a point right here. We also have to look at our scales. We're not counting by the same numbers. So we're going to do vertical change or rise, which is 2, over horizontal change, which is run, which is 1. So what is 2 over 1? Of course it is 2. And that's exactly what this wants you to do on this IXL. The last ones you're going to say, is it a proportional relationship? And if it is, you're going to tell the rate. And if it's not, you will not. Let's look at one more. This one, is it going through the point 0, 0? No, it's not. So we know it's not a proportional relationship. There you go. Good luck with the IXL.